Luponic, this goes back a little bit. We started making this, 3 or 4 years ago. The whole idea of Luponic Distortion was exploration of hops, and we'd inevitably meet new hops that didn't fit into our existing portfolio.
What's your name, little guy?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, when Mind Haze came around and some of the Mind Haze variants, a lot of what we learned through Luponic Distortion made its way into that program. And certainly what's coming down the pipe in terms of hops and for future Firestone beers may very well find their way in through the Luponic Distortion series. So Luponic number 20, that's back, it's in the mix pack, includes an experimental hop called 1019, yet to be named.
Tell me the tale of a hop being named.
The day a hop is named, from going from an experimental number to a real being. No, this is deep mystery, not for public consumption. So it has some hops from all around the world, one experimental. Just this beautiful peachy aroma comes out. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful way to round out the mix pack. It's a great beer to have come back and yeah, gave us a chance to kind of continue to explore hops outside of our normal portfolio. Who is Luponic Distortion for? It's certainly for the hop curious folks out there. People who are interested in new ways that hops can bring flavor to beer.
Would you ever let somebody name a hop after you?
Just call it Matt. Oh, I'm getting a lot of Matt in this. Woo. It'd be an honor. It'd be an honor to have a hop named after me. I'm just smelling anger and regret.